So good morning, class 7 children. Today we'll revise chapter number 15, light, through PPT, and afterwards I will be sharing assignment or test of this chapter. So light travels in a straight line. Everybody knows what that property is known as. Can you tell me? Light travels in a straight line.
Rectilinear propagation.
Rectilinear propagation.
Very good. Rectilinear propagation of light is known as that. It means that light travels in a straight line. So there is a simple activity which shows that light travel in a straight line. The girl is able to see light when the pipe or the straw is straight. If she bends the pipe, she is not able to see the light of candle. What is the reason? Here we are having two cases. In one case, she is able to see the candle light. In second case, she is not. What's the reason? Tell quickly.
Because the light travels in a straight line.
Light travels in a straight line, and when the tube is bent, the light is not going to be bent with the tube. In the second case, the tube is bent, the light is not going to bend with the tube. Okay, so that's why light travels in a straight line. Children, this is the one of the activity. Few more activities are there which shows that light travels in a straight line. Next is very important concept, reflection of light. Can I have the reflection of light? What is the definition of reflection?
Bouncing back of light is known as reflection.
Good. The simplest definition, bouncing back of light. Children, here see this experiment has been done. This is a mirror. I hope you are able to see. Mirror is standing with the help of a spot, and laser light, see the laser light, red color laser light, if we throw it on the mirror, it comes back after reflection. Is it visible to you? Means the mirror is reflecting the light. When the light falls on the mirror, the direction of light is changed by the mirror. Okay. So that is known as a reflection of light. If this question comes that show with the help of an activity, so simple activity you can explain. This activity can be explained like we have kept a mirror, and if we are throwing a laser light on it, what happens? It changes its direction and it comes back. Yeah. Many of the children have done the experiment also when we were doing this chapter. They had shown me the laser light and that how it is reflected back. Okay. Next comes image formed by the plane mirror. Okay. I think everybody knows the image formed by the plane mirror
Is virtual, erect, same size, same distance, and same height.
But आपको ये बताना है same distance. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by same distance? The image is at the same distance from the mirror as object is in front of it. You need to write down the complete. If you will be simply write down the same image, so I'm not able to understand that what is same image means. Okay. And right appears left, left appears right. That is known as what?
Lateral inversion.
Yes, that property is known as lateral inversion. Why the image is formed virtual? Because we can't obtain that image on a screen. That's why it is virtual. Can't obtain at screen. Okay. So whenever this question comes, so 5 points, at least 5 points you have to write down that what type of image is formed, and kindly write down this complete sentence that the image is at the same distance as the object is in front of it. Okay. Next, beta. Now comes, yet we had discussed about the plane mirror. Now the turn of spherical mirrors. How many type of mirrors are there? Spherical mirrors?
Concave mirror and convex mirror.
Yes,
Two types, concave and convex.
simply two
types of
types.
mirror are there, concave mirror and convex
Very good.
mirror.
Concave mirror, in which the reflecting surface is inside.
Inside. And
In-
when the bulging out surface is called convex mirror.
Yes, if the reflecting surface is outside, children, see the diagram. I hope it is clear. This black line, ये जो inner black line है, it is showing the reflecting
Concave
surface.
mirror.
Concave mirror, in which the reflecting surface is inside, and here the reflecting surface is outside. That is known as a convex.
Convex mirror.
Best example, stainless steel spoon. Inside of the spoon
Yes, ma'am.
act as a,
Yes. Concave mirror. And the bulging outside of the spoon is convex mirror.
yes. Okay. Next is, I think it's clear to you. ये question भी आपको आ सकते हैं short way में, that inner side of the spoon, how it is acting, and outer side of the spoon, how it is acting like. Next is, now we have to see that what type of images next are formed by the concave and convex mirrors. Next, image formed by the concave mirror. So children, we have an activity, like in your book, the activity is there, like we need to light a candle, mirror we have kept, and the screen. 3 things we have kept, and then move the, and we are changing the position of object. See, we had kept the object at different places. 50 centimeter पे रखा है, 40 centimeter पे रखा है, 30, 20, 10, and then we have to conclude that what type of image is formed. So here we had concluded image formed by a concave mirror may be smaller or larger than the object. Sometime it is smaller, sometime it is larger. How that can be possible? वो किसके ऊपर depend करता है? On which thing it depends? It depends where the object is placed. Image may be inverted or erect, can be obtained on a screen or can't be obtained on a screen. Children, I think I am clear. So ये concave mirror में कैसी image form होती है, वो किसके ऊपर depend करता है? That where the object is placed. Next one. Uses of concave mirror. Very simple uses. Already you know, reflectors in torches used by dentists for examining ears, nose, throat. You know that. Next one. See, very small bulb is there in the torches, but the light reaches to a large area. Next is convex mirror. See, very good diagram we are able to see. Even you can see the image. See, in the rear view mirror, how much area is covered? It is covering much of the area. Large area is covered in this rear view mirror. And how we are able, we can see the traffic behind the vehicle. It covers a large area. And कैसी image दिख रही है बेटा इसमें हमें? Smaller, tell me.
And smaller.
Smaller image we are able to see. See? So image formed by the convex mirror is virtual and smaller. That's why it is, समझ आ गया बेटा आपको? That's why it is used as side view mirror in cars, scooters, etc. And why this, and how this convex mirror helps the drivers to see the traffic.
Because it has a wider view.
Wider view, very good. And helps.
The convex mirror helps in reviewer mirror because the driver see how many cars are behind the car.
Yes, this helps the drivers to see the traffic behind them. Okay. Next is very important, this convex mirror is. Now we'll talk about the lenses. Children, I want to ask the difference between the lens and a mirror before going further. Kindly tell. What is the difference between a lens and a mirror? Tell me quickly. No difference between the lens and the mirror. Just we have read about the mirrors and now we'll discuss about the lenses. Is there any difference between these two or no? Yes, Lavish, tell me. Nishchay? Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Mirror does not allow the light to pass through it and it reflects the light rays, but whereas convex lenses allow the light rays to pass through them.
Any of them, convex ho, concave ho, through lens, light can pass. Why the rest are not able to tell? And on the mirror, reflection is there. You are wearing the specs. Are you wearing the lenses or a mirror?
Ma'am, lenses.
Lenses.
Yes.
Lenses.
And you can see through the lenses. Can you see through the mirror?
No, ma'am.
Because the back side of the mirror is painted. Have you seen the back side of?
Front side.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can see our image in front side, but other behind the side is painted or covered.
Yes, very good. And in mirror, there is a reflection. And in the lenses, what happen? Light passes through it.
And light passes through it, so we can see past other side.
Yes, light passes through it. So here we are having two types of lenses. This is known as a convex lens. Can you define convex lens? How it is thicker? It is thicker in the middle and narrow at the edges. देखिए top पे और bottom पे edges जो है that is narrow at the edges. Am I clear? And thicker in the middle. And on the other side, you can see for the concave lens. Concave is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Am I clear? So here we have taken a convex lens. Convex lens, when the light passes through a convex lens, it meets at one point, which is known as focus. Is it clear, children? Or converging
Yes,
lens ko, or convex lens is known as converging or diverging. Next slide, beta. Convex lens क्या कर रहा है light को? It is converging the light. So convex lens.
Concave lens is diverging.
Yes, concave lens is diverging and convex lens is converging. Now see the image formed by both of the lenses and where that lenses are used in spectacles, microscopes, cameras, telescopes. You must have seen, you know that? Okay, Anya, stop talking and read this. Image formed by a convex lens.
Image formed by a convex may be smaller or larger than the object. Oh, okay. The image formed by a convex mirror is virtual. Cannot be obtained on a
where it is written mirror. आपने ये पढ़ लिया पहले. Read these 3 points first of all. Convex lens.
Okay, ma'am. The image formed by a convex may be smaller or larger than the object. Second, the image may also be real. Can be obtained on a screen or virtual. Cannot be obtained on a screen. Third, the image may inverted or erect. Image formed by concave lens. The image formed by a convex mirror is virtual, cannot be obtained on a screen. Second, the image is smaller in size than the object. Uses of lenses.
Tell me one thing. Here it should be mirror or lens?
Ma'am,
Lens.
Yes,
lens.
because we are talking about the lens. So here should be convex lens is virtual and smaller in size. Okay. Next.
Uses of lenses. Lenses are used in spectacles, microscopes, telescopes, cameras, etc.
Okay. I hope it is clear that where we are using the lenses. Next, beta. Sunlight, white or colored? What do you say? Is it white or colored?
Ma'am, it is
colored.
actually colored, but it appears to
Ma'am,
be white.
colored.
Okay. So means it is white or colored both. Actually, it is made up of 7 colors. Actually, it is colored,
Ma'am,
but
it appears white.
yes, but it looks like white. So Tanvi, tell me why it is so? Why it looks like white? Anybody, any idea? Okay, first of all, let's take a, okay, this is a glass prism. When a white light passes through it, it disperses into 7 colors. And the 7 colors sequenced, you know, by the Vibgyor. Violet is downward. Downward to upward, we go for Vibgyor, you know it. And this is a rainbow, how rainbow is formed. So this shows that white light is made up of 7 colors. But in your book, one more experiment has been done. Newton's disk. You know that? What that does it shows?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what Newton discussed? What Newton showed? That light
Ma'am,
is
Newton discovered by his experiment with glass prism that white light, that white light, sunlight consists of a mixture of lights of 7 colors.
yes, he gave the example of Newton disk. What was that Newton disk? Newton disk में क्या चीज है? Newton disk. Next करो बेटा
Ma'am,
slide.
it is a disc made up of 7
This
colors.
placed in the
spin it
sun.
fast
One.
Shine
Yes, see, this is a
Ma'am.
Newton disk.
Ma'am, a disc placed in the sun shines by producing many colors.
No. We have taken a circular cardboard. You can also do this experiment. Any circular cardboard we
ma'am.
have taken, and in the center we had fixed it on the pencil and divide it into
And then-
7 parts.
And then we have to turn.
Yes, पहले coloring तो करेंगे ना. First 7 parts में divide करिए. And 7 parts में आपने कौन से color choose करने हैं? The colors of
Rainbow
Vibgyor.
colors.
Rainbow colors, Vibgyor. Paint it, and children, it's very tough to rotate with the help of a pencil. ये ज़्यादा तेजी से move नहीं करता. But if we set a motor, if we put a motor behind it, then what happens? It moves quickly. And which color we are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा color
White.
दिखेगा हमें? White color.
White.
Yes. We are able to see the grayish color, and that shows that not exactly the white, pure white you can say, but that is a grayish color. Why it is so? Can you tell me, anyone? Why we are not identified to different colors when we are rotating it so fast? Tell me, any one of you? See, the reason is written here. The colors get mixed and appears white in color. There is a overlapping in the color. We are not able to differentiate. Am I clear? Not able to differentiate between the different colors. That's why there is an overlapping. So this was the Newton disk, and with the help of this disk, he explained that white light is made up of 7 colors. So this was your whole chapter. If anything still not clear, you may ask.